In this session, we will be talking about a very important term that we hear about every now and then. The term is acceleration. Some students find the concept of acceleration difficult. Yes, it is an abstract concept, but this video will help you to understand the concept better. I am giving you 4 situations. You have to say what is happening in each situation. Is there acceleration taking place? Situation 1. Car moving in a straight line. Situation 2. Brake is being applied. Situation 3. Ferris wheel is going round and round. Situation 4. A bridge is falling down. Pause the video and write down what you think. You must have answered that acceleration is happening in all 4 situations. Focus on situation 1. Do you think the car is accelerating? Will you agree if I say no? Even though the car is moving at a high speed, there is no acceleration happening. Why? To know the answer, let's find out what is acceleration. Acceleration in layman's term is thought to be the process of moving faster. But is it? Acceleration is not only moving at a high speed. This term is misunderstood. What did you observe in these 2 video clips? The movement was at a constant pace. There was no variation. So what happened in these video clips that you just saw? Yes, the walking speed kept on changing. It went from slow to fast to super fast. Let's look at the second activity. Similarly, the speedometer went up gradually, then went up quickly and went up fast. Let's watch the next video clips. So what did we see? The speed of the runner went from super fast to slow. Similarly, the speedometer went down from more to less or 0. Okay, now let's watch the next video clip. How are these video clips different from the first 2? The moving path was circular, not straight. So based on the observation made from the video clips, can we define acceleration? A body moving in a straight line is said to be accelerating only if it speeds up or slows down or comes to a stop. Based on video 7, acceleration is the rate of change in direction. In other words, acceleration can be defined as the rate of change of velocity in a given time. As you know, velocity means change in both speed and direction. What did you observe in video clip 1? How was it different from the rest of the video clips? That's right. In the first video, the motion was constant. There was no change in speed and no change in direction. In other words, there was no change in velocity in a given time. In this case, there was no acceleration or acceleration was 0. So, acceleration is not only speeding up, it is also said to be accelerating even when it decreases its speed. When the speed is reduced or decreased, the acceleration is called retardation. So, can you define retardation? Retardation is defined as the rate of decrease of velocity with time, or when its acceleration in the opposite direction of the velocity. It is also known as negative acceleration. Remember, positive acceleration is when acceleration is towards the direction of the velocity. Question is, how can a body or any object be accelerated? Any body or object could be accelerated by applying force. By applying force, speed can be increased. Example, pressing the gas pedal. Force can decrease the speed of the body or bring it complete halt. Example, pressing the brake pedal. Force can change the direction of the body. Example, turning the steering wheel of a car. In this video, we learned acceleration is defined as rate of change of velocity in the given amount of time. Based on this, acceleration is of three types: positive acceleration, negative acceleration, which is also known as retardation, and lastly, it is also called acceleration when there is no change in speed but a change in direction.